RUDA, this is the flag of RUDA. Peace, love, unity for all. Based here in Rwanda. Education for all. Education with total security. Development for all. With great science. RUDA is coming. RUDA shall promote and must march in the lineage of science and technology greatly, and promoting how to read and write too. This is the RUDA flag. RUDA is the best political party. Our mission, vision and plus. Begin with our vision. Our vision of RUDA is like this. Vision or our aspiration or target or objectives for the future. RUDA, the best political party, aspires to be the nice leading political provider of the most zero tolerance to bribation and corruption in the Rwandan society by RUDA. Good governance, satisfying the public's interest, innovation in business creation and doings, producing solution, and the resolution is focusing on giving all persons the best opportunities priority. Our vision is to ensure that the interests of our country, Rwanda, and providing the best possible care to all Rwandans without nepotism and bribation are at the heart of everything we do. To become and act as the center of political umbrella or political umbilical cord, providing the best and highest degree of excellence in giving the qualitative and quantitative services and the productive products or production in democratic systems and governance, in rapid development of Rwanda and Rwandans at all national levels. Center of political umbilical cord of peace, love, security, liberty in job creation, unity, highest degree of excellence in providing better leadership to all, basing on no land taxation among others, giving qualitative and quantitative services equally to all democratically, rapid development to every Rwandan men and women and boys and girls, in other words, the youth, advancing or country spreading the quickest democracy ever and ever to all citizens without any segregations. RUDA. That is RUDA's vision. Thank you very much for that. You are the most welcome with the RUDA's vision. This is the Professor Barafinda SEKIKUBO Fred with total seniority. With the total seniority. The professor of all the professors globally. The professor of the world professors. with 200 good many causes that shall promote Rwanda in the lineage of the quickest democracy since time immemorial, and extra more 2,000 good many causes which shall make Rwanda to become the capital city of Africa. Thank you very much indeed for that cause, and it is our main agenda to unite Africa and Africans in general, to create USA to United States of Africa. This is Mwalimu Barafinda SEKIKUBO Fred, RUDA President, legal representative in internal affairs and external affairs, and being the RUDA founder, the greatest politician and philosopher too. Thank you very much indeed, my world people, my world people. Thank you 1,000 times, like 1,000 hills of Rwanda.